Android's openness drives rapid smartphone growth and attracts many users. If your phone is damaged, here are the top 5 ways to recover your contacts. Part 1. How to recover contacts from broken phone without backup. If USB debugging isn't enabled, data recovery can be hard. Broken Android data extraction might work if the device is in download mode, and it's effective for recovering contacts. Step 1. Download and install this software on your Windows computer. Run it and connect your broken phone to the computer with a USB cable. Once connected, you can choose Broken Android Data Extraction from the left side. Then, click the Start button to begin. Step 2. As you can see on the next screen, you are asked to choose your device name and device model. Don't forget to check the I agree box and click Confirm option. Step 3. The program will provide you with the procedure to help you put your broken phone into download mode. After that, you can click Start again to start scanning. Step 4. After the scan, all contacts on this broken Android will be scanned out, and you can view them on the computer. Select the contacts you want to recover and click Recover before saving them to this computer as VECF, CSV, or HTML. Part 2. How to get phone numbers from broken phone via Google account. Go to Settings, Google, Setup and Restore contacts. Confirm your Google account and tap Restore to transfer contacts to your new phone. Part 3. How to get contacts from broken phone with Google Contacts app. Open the Google Contacts app on your new device. Tap the profile icon. Choose Add another account and log in. Then go to Fix and Manage and tap Restore Contacts to select the account and retrieve your contacts. Part 4. How to retrieve contacts from broken phone via SIM or SD card. Insert your SD or SIM card into a new Android device. Open Contacts, tap Menu. Go to Settings, then Import Export. Choose Import from SIM card or SD card, and select the VECF or CSV file to import. Part 5. How to get contacts off a broken phone via Samsung account Galaxy. On your Samsung phone, go to Settings, Personalization, Account. Log in with your Samsung account, then tap Restore and OK to retrieve contacts.